Hello everyone. Right here we got the Panini Contenders 2018 draft picks. A lot of people I've seen breaking these, they don't really like the fact that the players are in their college uniforms, but for me, I actually like that. Since I watch a lot of college football, it really doesn't bother me too much. So in this box here, you can see you get 2 autographs per box on average. You get I think there's 6 cards per pack, 7 packs per box, and you get 2 autographs. So this is a retail box, so don't expect too much in terms of good players with the autographs, but the good thing about this is you just never know. One of these autographs you get, the player might be a 6th-round gem, kind of like Tom Brady. So they're worth keeping track of, keep holding on to for a little bit and seeing how they pan out. So without further ado, let's open this up and get cracking. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. Now, let's see what we get here. Alright, so we got a Jordan Howard, a Brian Bosworth, School Colors, Darius Geis. I believe he got drafted to the Redskins. We have this must be some sort of parallel here, a Tony Dorsett, a John Elway back in his Stanford days, and a Billy Sims. Next pack here, we got a Michael Irvin, the U. DeAndre Hopkins, one of the best receivers out there today. A Roger Staubach. And this looks like it might be a hit here, so we'll do that one last. We got Dez Bryant, who's still currently looking for a team. Terry Bradshaw, and we have a hit here, Levon Coleman from Washington. Don't know if he got drafted or not, running back. I'll have to look that up when this video is over. But there's your first hit. It is a sticker autograph. These are pretty nice looking cards too. Next pack. We have, can't read that, George Rogers, AJ Green, stud. We have a Collegiate Connections, Christian Kirk and Mike Evans. Mike Evans, another stud. We have Jerry Rice, Hall of Famer, nice. Antonio Brown, another one of the best receivers out there today. And Major Applewhite for the Longhorns. Next pack. And Panini, they're always stingy when it comes to getting these packs open. We have Cam Newton, Auburn Tigers. Michael Thomas. Josh Rosen, game day ticket. He fell a little bit in the draft this year. He was a little upset about that, so we'll see what if that gives him some motivation to do well out there in Arizona. we have a John Hanna, Roll Tide, Bo Jackson, and Matty Ice, Boston College. Another pack, hard to open here. Jeez, there better be something good in here. There we go, finally. This is, we have 3 packs left, including this one. We got D.D. Westbrook, Ron Dane, J.J. Watt, good guy right here, always doing stuff out there in the real world for folks. It looks like we have another hit here. Put that in the back. Debo time. He's still doing his thing with baseball right now. Herschel Walker, and we have Trey Flowers. It's a pretty nice autograph there. And again, I'm not sure where he was drafted, but I'll look that up afterwards. So that's our second autograph here. So we probably won't get anything else after this, but you don't know. So 2 more packs. Aaron Rodgers, California Golden Bears. LaDainian Tomlinson, TCU, one of the best running backs in this recent era. Got Herschel Walker, old school colors. Barry Sanders, Hall of Famer. Marcus Allen. And Dak Prescott, Mississippi State. Maybe he'll have a bounce back year this year. Last pack. Ricky Williams, Texas Longhorns. Eric Dickerson. Tyreek Hill, steal of the draft last year. What a great player. Mark Andrews, he was drafted by my Ravens here. I'm a Ravens fan, so any Ravens fans out there, I salute you. Randy Moss, Marshall Thundering Herd, one of the greatest receivers of all time. And Earl Campbell. So, like I said, I mean, two hits per box there on average. So, for 20 bucks, it's worth giving a shot. You never know what you might get. And again, with these 2 guys I got here, Trey Flowers and Levon Coleman, I'm going to do some research on them and see if they got drafted. And who knows, they might turn into some good players for you. So, that's it for now. I'm going to try to start posting videos more often here. I recently got back into the hobby and I'm enjoying it, so I figured I'd start to share my openings on YouTube because I enjoy watching everyone else's. As you can see, I'm from the Maryland area, so I root for the Ravens, the Orioles, the Capitals, Go Caps, UVA. You know, those are my teams there, and yeah, so if you like what you see, subscribe because there's more to come. I'll probably try to post a video or 2 a week going forward. I got some stuff already planned coming up, and if anyone out there sees any cards here that you might want, just let me know. I'll be sure to get back to you and see if I can get those sent out to you. If you want to buy them, trade, whatever, just let me know. And if I miss anything in the video, let me know too, because like I said, I am new to the hobby again, getting back into it. I enjoy ripping packs. I enjoy watching y'all on YouTube, so just let me know if I missed anything here. Until next time, take care.